I need y'all, everybody rapping dog shit for me. Yeah.
Mobbing in the business, smoking more.
What?
Hey, pocket full of motherfucking blue.
What?
Wow. Half an ounce in my Gucci tube.
What?
Sauce.
Yeah.
For the summertime, got a new
Yeah.
truck. Trapper slash rapper slash bad bitch snatcher. Baby mama mad, she said you live like a bachelor.
So what?
Sold 100 pounds and gave 10% to the pastor.
What?
Keep going up the ladder.
They mad, make them better.
Told my son when I'm gone, you gon' be a rich little bastard. Pointers on me hitting, leave a bitch dizzy. All my old pictures feeling salty.
Yeah. Oh God.
MID, I'm talking about why you dog me.
Oh God.
But I still miss you, can you call me? I heard that she trained that you still ballin'. She used to bust some strips for me at Walgreens. Smuggling narcotics was my calling.
Hey.
Foes on the Mercedes,
What?
that's major.
What?
Whole gang going crazy, that's major. Millions on the table, that's major. Turn dirt into diamond.
What we say go? Hey, what he say?
You searching for fame. I became a superstar in the dope game. Found out you a hater, I can't look at you the same. She said, can she take a picture with my chain? Got two twin sisters, call them yin yang. I wish I wouldn't have fucked that bitch, she inside. Alexander McQueen on me, ain't got a stain. Turn to the plug, my life ain't never been the same. Phones on the Mercedes, that's major. Whole gang going crazy, that's major. Millions on the table, that's major.
We turn dirt into diamonds. Hey, let's do that shit. I play some of that.